Magandang bisperas ng Chinese New Year 2021, Year of the Ox. It's February 11, 2021. Ito po si Benji Chadoro. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer who had been investing in the stock market since 2007. I started this YouTube channel in August of last year, and I review the most active stocks in the PSE using technical analysis, and I also share news on your favorite stocks. And news items are one of the catalysts influencing stock prices. So if you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Binabati ko nga pala ang ating mga new subscribers, si Patrick Hernandez, June Sansa, Leo Aala, at si Norman BKF. Hello also to my high school batch 76 at G. Araneta de La Salle. Next week na yung ating presentation sa basics on the stock market. And if you want me to review your stocks, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize them. Meron po tayong balita sa Converge, ang resulta ng trading sa PSE. Lahat ng ito dito lamang sa February 11, bisperas ng Chinese New Year, Thursday edition of the stock market today. Let's take a look at the news from Business World. Converge fiber network more than doubled. Listed internet service provider Converge ICT Solution on Wednesday said its fiber network had more than doubled last year after it added over 38,300 kilometers of fiber optic cables. In a statement, Converge said it expanded its fiber network by 107% from about 26,600 kilometers in 2019. So, ang sabi pa niya dito, according to ICT Chief Executive Officer Dennis Uy, we are well on track to meeting our goal of reaching 15 million or 55% of Philippine households by 2025. And ready to serve the high-speed broadband requirements of the majority of our people. So that's news on Converge, and we'll take a look at Converge later on as we review the stock. Okay, the PSEI lost 91.14 points or 1.29% on a profit-taking Friday. The market activity showed 131 companies declined, 95 advanced, while 44 remained unchanged. As for the all-share index, it lost 0.89% or 37.85 points. As for the sectoral indices, the financials and the mining registered gains, while the holding companies, industrials, properties and services declined. The decliners was led by the holding companies at 1.74%. For the most active stocks, we will be reviewing the following. Yung FGen, we will not be reviewing that, no? That is preferred shares. So we'll just be reviewing the common shares. Okay, let's review the following. Dito, APL, PHA, ACEN, VUL, RRHI, BSC, Converge, ATI, and AGI. If you have stocks in mind that you want me to review, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize them. Okay, so let's start with Dito. Okay, Dito moved up 0.60 or 60 centavos to end at 1770 or 3.51% higher. At kung titignan natin yung ating indicators, all right under the candlestick, which would indicate a bullish movement of the stock. And our RSI is at 78, which is already oversold. Then again, just in as in our previous review, so probably in the coming days there might be a decline in the share prices. So ingat lang tayo dito. Okay, next let's take a look at APL. Okay, APL continues to move sideways. So it ended 23.90 centavos or 1.27% higher. So moving sideways pa rin to, as we can see from our orange line and the blue line, which is piercing through our candlesticks. In the meantime, the nearest resistance of APL would be at 27.65 centavos. Okay, after APL, let's take a look at PHA. Okay, when we take a look at PHA had a profit-taking day today, although the candlestick is kasing haba nung previous day, no? So whatever the gains the stock had yesterday, it lost today. Pero kung titingnan natin yung ating indicators, it's still under the candlestick, indicating a bullish to sideways movement on the stock, generally bullish. Okay, yung RSI natin is at 64, indicating a bullish movement. So yung level na pwede nating tignan for the resistance would be here at 3 pesos and 18 centavos. Then let's take a look at ACEN. Okay, ACEN, very weak yung kanyang candlestick and it appears to be moving sideways. Pero right under the candlestick yung mga indicators natin, ano? Ibig sabihin, generally the trend is up. And our RSI is also at 61.79, indicating a bullish movement. Pero for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it has been moving sideways. Kasi yung ating moving averages, o yung orange, yung blue, and yung black line are lagging indicators. May lag siya. Kaya yung reflection nito is the reflection of the 14-day moving average. Kaya ang tingin natin is pataas. But anyway, for the past several days, it has been moving sideways. And I would place the support level at EMA 20, 7.21 centavos will be our support. And then let's take a look at VUL. Okay, VUL, look at that. Nag-breakout siya. It's a breakout actually. There was a first breakout here on February 5. I'm sorry, not on February 5. On February 4. There was a first breakout. Then it continued to move upwards with short candlesticks with declining volume. Pero now it had a breakout with volume. So it is a bullish trend which makes the RSI overbought. But let's take a look at the directional movement index. It's 38. So there is a definite upward trend for VUL. So let's see if there is a historical high. Tingnan natin yung historical high ni VUL. I think this is the highest. The highest it had was 2.87. No? Now it's 3.53. So what I can do is take a look at nearest support niya. Lagay na lang natin sa EMA 20. No? EMA 20 yung ating support level. At tingnan natin, 2 pesos and 20 centavos will be our support level. So nandito siya sa portion na yan. So, tingnan natin on Monday, no, if masusustain yung breakout. Kasi normally in a breakout, it's either tumuluyan pataas o mag-consolidate muna. And that consolidation is called the pullback. Tulad nito, nangyari dito, nag-breakout siya ng 2 araw, tapos nagkaroon ng pullback, tapos dahan-dahan umakyat uli, no? So, maaring ganun din ang mangyari dito sa VUL. In the meantime, yung ating support is 2 pesos and 20 centavos. Wala po tayong maipaplat na resistance because this is the highest level that the stock have had, no? Yan natin yung 52-week. Yan nga, no? 379 is the 52-week high, no? Yung na-achieve niya today. Okay, after VUL is RRHI. Okay, RRHI still bearish, no? Bearish siya. Robinson's Retail Holdings. Although market sentiment to, no? Because meron namang fundamentals itong RRHI eh. Pero the candlestick just ended a bit lower of the previous day at 0.95 points or 1.65%. And yung kanyang indicators, ay yung mga indicators natin is bearish on the stock. And RSI confirmed us because it's at 28.63. It's what you call oversold. Let's take a look at the DMI. Kung over 30 yan, merong downward trend. Wala, no? So, right now, ang indicators lang na nagsasabi na bearish siya is the RSI and our moving averages. Pero hindi ma-confirm ng DMI, ano? A DMI of 30 and above would indicate a trend upwards or downwards. Kung above 30 siya. Pero kung hindi siya above 30, maaring sideways lang yung kanyang movement. And then let's take a look at BSC. BSC, sideways to. No, sideways yung movement ni BSC. Although, ito, yung masasabi natin dito is the indicators are under the candlestick which would indicate an upward movement, ano? Pero for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 days, for the past 11 days, sideways yung kanyang movement. So, I would say generally sideways ang kanyang movement, sideways to bullish, kumbaga. Okay? So that's BSC. In the meantime, ang support level, we would place it at EMA 20. So that's support is at 1 peso and 5 centavos. That will be our support for basic energy. Okay? Then converge. Ito yung may news kanila. Tingnan natin kung nag-improve si Converge. Okay, nag-recover siya pero konting-konti lang ang recovery. Halos wala. Halos flat nga ito, no? Pero generally upward yung trend, no? Candlestick appears to be lower. So, the RSI is still bullish at 64.83. So, abangan din natin the following days, ano? Maaring consolidation to or just moving sideways, see? Converge. In the meantime, the nearest support, I would place it at 16.7. Yan yung nearest support natin, EMA 20. And then, si ATI. Okay, ATI. Asian Terminals. Hindi maganda yung Asian Terminals. Look at that. Hindi maganda. Yan natin. Mukhang the stock is illiquid, although ang value niya ngayon is 133 million. No? For ATI, I cannot, kasi yung mga candlestick niya halos wala siyang volume eh. Ngayon lang siya nagkaroon ng volume. Tapos yung movement pa niya is not much, ano? I cannot give a definite analysis on this except that it's bearish. Yun lang. Bearish yung trend niya. And in the past days, wala siyang liquidity. So, ito yung mga stocks na stay away muna tayo. Kasi kung bumili tayo dito, maaring mangyari is maipit lang tayo kung gusto natin mag-sell. Kasi halos walang sellers to eh. Except today na nagkaroon ng volume after a long time. Ito mo to. halos wala, oh. Yung earnings nga, tingnan natin. Meron siyang income, but wild yung swings ng stock. So that's for ATI. And then finally, let's take a look at AGI. Okay, AGI, Global Alliance, or Alliance Global. Nagkaroon siya ng short candlestick today, and it's above our indicators with strong volume. Although maliit lang, ano? Mukhang nag-profit taking in the end tong stock na ito eh. Anyway, tinest niya yung resistance level, which is here. No, 11.06 yung resistance level niya. And yun lang pwede ko masabi dito sa stock na ito. Ang next resistance level that I would say pwede natin ilagay dito sa 11.96 to 12 yung next resistance level ng Global, no? Alliance Global. And the nearest support, ang nearest support lagay natin sa EMA 20 ulit. EMA 20 is 10.22. Yan po ang ating stock market report today, Thursday, February 11, 2021. Bukas ay walang pasok, Chinese New Year. Ito po si Benji Chodoro nagpapaalala. Kang Hei Fa Chai sa ating Chinese friends. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. See you on Monday. Enjoy the long weekend at maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Bye for now.